Okay, you are never going to guess what I did today. I'm so embarrassed. I was looking at your class list right here, and I printed out one, and I was flipping through over from the first page to the second page like this, y'all. And there was a candle sitting on my desk, and then I flipped it and I put it on the candle, and I burned one of y'all off. I'm not going to tell you who it was, but you accidentally got dropped it from my class, accidentally by burning the candle. Oh, super embarrassed. So, just a life lesson for you here from the White House. You should not have a candle on your desk when you have paper. That's really stupid. All of a sudden, I saw some smoke, and I'm like, what is going on? And it was burning, and I blew it out, and then it was just not good. So, anyway, that's all I've got. And then after that, we drove to Brookfield, and I live in Watertookie, so it's a little bit of a haul, but we needed a little outing. We went to Nothing Bundt Cakes. I don't know if you've been there, but it's so nice. We got some bundt cakes for people, and we just delivered them to people's houses, and that was super fun. So I just wanted to give you a couple of reminders for today. Happy weekend. I hope that you have a great day. Today's pretty easy. Um, I'm having you work on your slideshow still. So that's due next week, Wednesday at 11:59. And I will put a place on Classroom for you to turn it in. So don't share it with me, y'all, because I'm getting like 40,000 emails every day, and I can't even keep up with it. I'm telling you, I don't even know what to do. So read the lab. Um, sign up for a Zoom chat if you didn't already. I didn't even look yet to see if y'all did that. Remember the rubric. If you have questions, email me. I'll be around most of the day. Oh, this is redundant. I'll fix that before I post it on Classroom. And when you finish your Canvas post test, that's your check-in. So there's a few of you doing your post test late, and that's just hard for me. So just do them on time. But if you do your post test late, you know you need to send me a screenshot, including the due date and the date you turned it in, so I can look at that. But because I'm not going to go back and look, make sure you do a Zoom with a friend before we have our Zoom, because it's kind of um, it's easy to set up, but you just want to make sure that you do that. Practice. It's the practice one. Work on your slideshow, finish your post tests. I'm going to challenge you to finish them today. Just you're going to be happy you did, because Wednesday next week is going to be kind of a busy day. So just make sure you do that. I hope you have a great Easter weekend, and I'll see you next week, Wednesday. And do your best always, every day. It's a great day. See you.